What's going on, everybody? So in this video, I'm going to show you how I turned $7 into over $30,000 of affiliate marketing commissions. I'm also going to reveal an event that happened right before I started my online business. I've actually never told anyone about this. I haven't even told my wife, and this actually happened right before I started my YouTube channel, right before I started my affiliate marketing business. But this actually helped me actually start my business and start making money. So I'm going to reveal this event to you. I've never told anyone about this. I'll get right into that. Guys, if you are brand new to my channel, my name is Jonathan Montoya with Passive Income Lifestyles, and on this channel I teach people how to make money specifically with affiliate marketing, but I have a ton of videos on how you can make money online, how you can grow a brand on YouTube and TikTok. So if you guys want to learn more, please subscribe to my channel, shoot me a like, give me a comment, guys, all that good stuff. It helps me grow on YouTube. The main goal of my channel is to help you build a passive income business so you can achieve financial freedom. Guys, I was able to go from an electrical engineer, hating my job, to go into a full-time affiliate marketer, having the time freedom, having the financial freedom that I've always wanted. So that's the main goal of my channel, guys. Please subscribe. Let's get into the video. All right, so real quick, I want to talk about the journey, and then I'll get into like the event that happened, and then I'll talk about how we turned $7 into over $30,000 in affiliate commissions, okay? So I just want to show you this right here, okay? This is my journey here. I started my YouTube channel. I started my affiliate marketing business. I started it in May of 2019. More specifically, I think it was May 15th, I started my first video, okay? So I just want to let you guys know that because I'm going to show you an event that happened right before this, okay? So this is what happened, all right? This, it really sucked that this happened at the time. I look back at it now, and this is what helped me get to where I am now. But this is something I haven't even revealed to my wife. I'm going to show her this video after, I upload the video to YouTube. I'm going to show her what happened. And I mean, I know she's going to be okay with it, but I've never told her, I've never told anyone about this, okay? So this is a screenshot of my bank account on May 9th, 2019, as you can see in the screenshot here, okay? I was negative $1,200 in our bank account, okay? You can see here, my mortgage pulled out over, $1,200 from my home, and then we went negative, okay? This happened in May 9th, 2019, okay? This happened right before I started my business. I was, doing other stuff like crypto, MLM. I was doing all this other stuff, so I had like no money. Like I was putting all my money in like these like crazy assets, right? Like crypto and like Ripple, if you guys remember all that crazy stuff. So I lost a lot of money, okay? So because I was making good money as an electrical engineer, but I was, I've always hated my job, so I was trying to get out of that, and I would put my money into stupid assets, and I wasn't being smart with my money. So before I started my affiliate marketing business, I went into the negative, and you can see here on May 9th, 2019, or it was actually May 10th, around that time, we went negative, okay? And this was a big, I guess a moment in my life where I had to step back and I had to start thinking about, okay, I got to start thinking short term and start thinking long term, okay? And that's when I wanted to start my affiliate marketing business. I wanted to start my YouTube channel. And let me just show you here on my YouTube. You can see my first video ever was May 15th. Yeah, you can see that May 15th, 2019, okay? So like 5 days after this happened, I had a few days to feel sorry for myself, a few days to, I was honestly pretty sad. The good thing is I go to the gym and I was able to kind of, work it off, but it was a little stressful, right? It was stressful. I hated my job at the time, but I wanted to show you guys this because I didn't just break down, maybe a few days I felt sorry for myself, but I actually did something about it, right? I had no money in the bank. So what was I gonna do, right? I started a free YouTube channel and I started my affiliate marketing business pretty much for free, okay? I literally just started it from nothing, okay? So this is what happened. I haven't told my wife this. I can't wait to show her this and see what she says, because especially it's been about a little over a year since this happened and we've gone a long way, okay? Let me just talk about how we turned $7 into $30,000, okay? And this is just with one of my programs, okay? This is something that I'm gonna talk about here today, but I've made well over 6 figures with my affiliate marketing business, with coaching, consulting. I have over 20 income streams. So this is just one of my programs that I promote, okay? So the program we're gonna be talking about is Legendary Marketer, okay? So you can see here over $30,000 in affiliate commissions since I started this program, okay? It's been a little over a year since I started working with Legendary Marketer, okay? But I want to talk to you about how I was able to turn $7 into over $30,000 with this program, okay? And this is why I recommend this to anyone starting affiliate marketing or just trying to make money online in general, okay? So this is how the program works, okay? Let me go back to my slide. So you can see it starts with $7, okay? People buy into a $7 program, and basically what they get with that $7 is they get a 15-day challenge, okay? In this 15-day challenge, they go from beginning to end on how to start an online business, right? How you can start as a complete beginner. So you can see here, day 1, they go into the #1 secret to building a high-ticket business. Day number 4 is the top 4 high-ticket business models. Day 3, they literally walk you through how to build a business in 30 minutes, right? So they walk you through it. $7, it's only $7. Now, the goal with this is to provide you a ton of value for that $7 and give you enough information to help you start your business, okay? Now, within the funnel, okay, so it's $7, and then after the $7, okay, it goes into this new upsell here, okay? And this is where you start making more money, right? Because the commissions I get for $7 is like $3, okay? It's not very much, but this is where I make the real money here, okay? They have an $18 per month, like it's called Marketers Club. It's kind of like the Netflix for internet marketing, affiliate marketing, stuff like that. So this is reoccurring income. It's actually $30, but I get paid $18 per month. So this is cool because now it's reoccurring income, right? So anyone who stays on that plan, I get paid every single month. Now it's reoccurring income. That's a lot more powerful, right? And there's another upsell here for $47. This is the Omni branding formula. This is, let me see if I can pull it up for you guys. This is this course here that I actually purchased. It shows you how to like put your videos and your content on like all social media, like all at the same time. Really cool course I took. It's only $47. But anyways, that's another upsell here. And there's another upsell here for $149. It's basically you can buy out the Marketers Club, the Netflix for marketers, for the whole month, okay, or for the whole year, okay? So there's a few upsells inside of this middle area, okay? Now, this is what's cool about this program, and this is where I start making the big bucks, okay? They go into the high ticket model where they now sell people the full blueprints on how to make money online with affiliate marketing. They literally give you everything you need, right? Like everything, okay? This is called the blueprints, okay? So this is $2,500. I get $1,000 per sale, okay? So this is where you start making the big money. And then there's another upsell that I'm not really going to talk about as much, but there's like the mastermind. Then it goes into like I think it's like $10,000, and I get like $4,000 from that. So high ticket commissions, guys. That's all this program is, okay? That's how I did over $30,000 with this program here, okay? Now, what I want to show you as well is the actual funnel that I use to get people in here, okay? So this is my funnel here, okay? Let me show you real quick. So if you wanted to join this program, you would go through this exact same funnel here, okay? And this funnel, basically you add your email here, you watch a few videos, and then you pay the $7, right? You go through the exact same program. Now, if you wanted to create this, if you wanted to start learning how to do this, how to do affiliate marketing, you know, click the link down below. We're going to show you exactly how to do this, right? This is the program I promote. This is, you know, this is something that I highly recommend. This is why I promote it, right? I would never promote something I don't fully believe in, okay? Also, the actual CEO, this is David Sharp here, which is my mentor. He shows you how to do this from beginning to end, right? The cool thing is I actually spoke at the last mastermind at Legendary Marketer. So I'm actually starting to get more involved in the community of Legendary Marketer, stuff like that, right? I'm not only being a consumer, but I'm now teaching his students, right? Which is very powerful. I'm really grateful for that, by the way. But anyways, this is the funnel you go through. You enter your email here. Let's just say you enter your email. You kind of go through the page, and then you can watch this video. I kind of explain what it is. And you go to the next page. This is a video of my mentor, Dave. He talks to you about what the program is. You pay the $7 and get started, okay? That's how it works, okay? But now I want to talk about what other ways you can make money, right? Because, you know, you're looking at this and like, okay, well, $30,000 isn't that much money, right? That's okay. Yeah, it's not that much money. It is a lot of money, but it's not that much, right? So how do I do over 6 figures with affiliate marketing, okay? So within this program, okay, there's multiple streams of income, okay? So within the program, they actually give you other commissions, right? So let me just show you how that looks like, okay? So if you go down, if you're an affiliate for Legendary, you can actually get multiple streams of income, okay? You can see here, you can get ClickFunnels commission. So if someone decides to use ClickFunnels, which they will because that's what they need to start their business, you get this as well, okay? So you can put your affiliate link inside of here, and with ClickFunnels, you can actually get reoccurring commissions, right? You get $40 to even $100 a month, okay? Very powerful there, okay? Also, you get email autoresponder commissions as well, okay? Both of these programs are monthly reoccurring commission, which is extremely powerful. This is passive income, guys. If people stay on these programs, then you get paid every single month on a reoccurring basis. That's when it becomes extremely powerful, okay? Not only are you getting these huge commissions, you're getting these, $1,000 days, $4,000 days, but you're also getting the monthly reoccurring commissions, which is even more powerful because that's when you can go travel the world for a few months and you're still getting paid, right? That's when it becomes extremely powerful. So anyways, guys, that's how I basically turned $7 into over $30,000 with my business. And I've been able to generate well over 6 figures with other programs I promote, other tools, other softwares. These are only a few of the income streams that I've generated. This is just the main program. If you want to learn how to build a business from beginning to end, not only in any business, but affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is the business that changed my life. I used to do like low ticket stuff, like I'm talking like $40 programs, $100 programs, and those are okay, but you really want to go into the high ticket if you really want to grow your business to the next level. So anyways, guys, I hope this video was of value. I really just wanted to reveal what happened here, okay? This is something that really changed my life. I think what happened here, like a lot of people would break down and just, I don't know, they would just quit or just stop moving forward. I was scared to show this because it's embarrassing. Like, I've never told anyone this, but I think it's powerful for you guys to see that this is the event that happened. This, you can literally see May 9th, 2019, right? You can see that here. This happened right before I started my first business, right? You can see here, May 15th, I started my first YouTube video, right? So anyways, I wanted to show you that. I don't even know when I got my first commission. Let me see if I can look for that for you guys. Let me see if I can find that. My first commission ever was July 28th, 2019, okay? $7 here, you can see that, okay? So that was my first affiliate commission ever. So what, it took me 3-4 months to get my first commission after I started. So, I mean, I still didn't make money until a lot later. So that's my journey, guys. I mean, that's why I like to be 100% transparent with you guys. I think it's important to be transparent in this world of that we're living in. A lot of people will, kind of show their earnings and their successes, but they don't show their failures. I think it's a cool thing to show your failures and to see, how I came from pretty much nothing, right? So I hope this video was of value. If you guys want to see more videos like this where I'm raw and truthful, I mean, I'm raw and truthful in all my videos, but where I'm showing you stuff that I've never shown anybody. There's still a few things that I do want to, reveal one day, but a little out of time. So this is the first thing that I've actually revealed to you guys. Anyways, guys, I hope this video was of value. Please subscribe to my channel. Comment down below. I'm curious to see what you guys think of what happened. I really want to know what you guys think about that. So comment down below, subscribe to my channel. We'll talk to you guys soon, and God bless.